Mamakaba be me nyina say Apple for release iOS 17.1.1. Video say I say channel is me create videos about cryptocurrencies, my videos about 100 cryptocurrencies at the same time, so how to make money online. At the same time, videos be bra me did say a bit about to bit more check out my YouTube channel no ubuhu videos more than 500 videos are head kana epibepo. Free iPhone XX Echo iPhone 15 Pro Max now. iPhone X can because iPhone XN supported iOS 17. And in case of so we use phone be from iPhone XX Echo Stra. Now what replaces screen now because issue na me ho ye no. Na nipa na replacing the screen. Until so what replacing with screen now. Me updating ko iOS 17.1.1 because we update ko bit my so screen and be white said me the picture na me dey ato so no. Now just in case of say what update at the course 17.11 no now screen na white there now betimi ICC this year me no ka say Apple for on signing iOS 17.1 and 17.0 because say omo on signing anytime we use iTunes and I say bia create YouTube or the restore and say the update phone you know software ne be can call request verification the free Apple service until that means say software no sa file na maybe an iOS file now or person one file update phone. Say Apple for a trema and no can on sign. Say Apple for a trema I be reject it untimi de untimi update your phone. And then him say I thought that Apple for bit me release maybe iOS 17.1.1 and iOS 17.1. That means say iOS 17.1.1 e were no more saying 17.1 but we wait me akọ no go to 17.1 yes sign na at the same time so go to 17.11 yes sign this annual update called iOS 17.1.1 now we encounter issues be about over 17.1 no only issues be na one say o downgrade we use software no e dey downgrade I should say we use software na dey downgrade e be iTunes and I say be a three YouTube. iTunes no pick a file na old file na what they update at the same time so three YouTube no pick a file na they update but see and the no ka say Apple for on signing versions in apart from iOS 17.1.1 until we screen issues what replace your screen no now was our issues now we sure say one and this is chain say Apple for be release be iOS update for free on betimi the addresses are issue no but at the same time so maybe you betimi restore phone or the BBB free so na use PC restore phone in na yen say betimi affect this issue na and say betimi reset the phone and kasa no untimi hu ani but betimi ma mention keys way betimi use keys way e dey force reboot obo don't say see volume top volume down now don't say see power na so that slide button no we don't set to for like 7 seconds and 10 seconds phone and can be restarted until try force reboot na say phone no e betimi working normal say dem make na until so here video now iOS 17.1 now replace your screen and pre on say oba update akọ 17.11 but as course one video in a DBA about alert maybe an anka update akọ but video be alert me delete video be boa so update akọ 17.11 na ebia o screen no kra mo replace na we face issues bia leave comment for to video na say na ye hu issues a e was versions in me gidi say video be boa ama de bia we bia no be ko ani follow Tech in Trio Facebook YouTube subscribe the channel no me the videos be bra me the videos a e hu here we gonna happy ade bia unim ade na we